this is Haley with Berlin Builds. I just want to show you guys this quick video of what we ended up doing in our guest bathroom. And just as I note that the backsplash needs to be redone, I tried to do it by myself the other day and cut some corners, but it did not get the husband's approval. So that will be getting redone. Probably would have been easier just to do it right the first time. But I like to get things done fast, something I'm learning. But the rest of the bathroom's looking good. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.